Hello guys, so for the makeup section of this video, I'm gonna do a voiceover. So first I got this heroin make mascara because I've seen a lot of people raving about it. And I really wanted to try it, but I don't think it was anything life-changing, to be honest. Okay y'all, I was so excited about this. This is my first set of flower nose makeup, and I got this from the Shell's Jewel collection. It's actually like crazy like seeing the actual makeup in real life because the looks are just like giving so hard. The visuals are like unreal. And I love the packaging. I'm saving this packaging to be like a little shelf on my vanity. It's so cute. It opens up like that. I got 2 powder puffs and 1 like a soft sponge puff. These were really cute as well. Next up, we have this highlighter balm, and it's like this really icy glittery color. And this blush is one of my favorite products from these products that I got. You guys, I really like this powder as well. The packaging is so unreal. It's like so like three-dimensional and it feels so lightweight, and it comes with a puff under the actual powder. This lippy, oh my gosh, you guys, the details are insane, and I absolutely love the formula. It's like extremely glossy. This is not the kind of color I usually wear. It's more warm toned than I usually do, but yeah. This eyeshadow palette, oh gosh, like I really love the colors, and the packaging is just so cute and pretty. And the detailing, once again, do I even have to say it out loud? It's like crazy. And this blush brush that literally looks like a diamond. And I also got an eyeshadow brush. The mirror is so crazy, you guys. Look at this. It's like a princess's mirror. It's so pretty. I feel like a princess using it. And this is the keychain attached to the balm. It's so cute.
When you say I'm the one you're so easy to love.